Imagine a world where every corner of your home shines with cleanliness, effortlessly and without any hassle. A world where dirt, pet hair, and tough stains stand no chance against a smart device designed to make cleaning as easy as it is effective. This world is what the Tineco Floor One S6 offers you. A cordless, all-in-one floor cleaner designed to transform your cleaning experience. Let me take you on a journey where technology meets simplicity and efficiency so you can enjoy your time the way you want. The Tineco Floor One S6 is perfect for those looking for an easy, efficient, and more effortless way to clean their hard floors. It's perfectly suited for homes with pets or children, or for those who need to easily tackle tough stains. Click the link in the description to learn more. Learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours right now. Subscribe to the channel to discover products that revolutionize your daily life every day. At first glance, the Tineco Floor One S6 stands out with its sleek and modern design. It's not just a vacuum cleaner, nor just a mop. It's a revolutionary device that combines both functions into one smart tool. In a single pass, it vacuums and washes your floors, while eliminating even the most stubborn dirt. You won't have to juggle between the vacuum cleaner and the mop anymore, because this cleaner does it all in one go. But that's far from all. The technology that comes with it makes every cleaning task a breeze. Imagine not having to worry about cleaning the brush roller after each use, thanks to MHCBS technology. The Tineco Floor One S6 has a built-in scraping system that continuously cleans the roller. This scraper, positioned against the roller, removes debris and dirty water throughout the cleaning process. This system not only ensures spotless floors but also a clean brush with every use, saving you from wasting time on manual cleaning. The floor, like the brush, stays clean at all times. You can be assured of consistent and optimal performance. You can finally say goodbye to the marks and residues left by old cleaners. Another feature that puts the Tineco Floor One S6 at the top of its category is its self-cleaning cycle. With just a single click, the device starts to clean itself. This process includes the roller and the tube, ensuring perfect hygiene after each use. This self-cleaning system reduces the risk of mold and bacteria, helping to keep your home healthy and odor-free. You just have to enjoy the performance of the device without worrying about its maintenance. It takes care of that by itself. And guess what? You can own the Tineco Floor One S6 with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews sharing their satisfaction. Cleaning corners and edges has never been easier with the Tineco Floor One S6. Equipped with a specially designed brush head to reach hard-to-access areas, this enhanced brush cleans both sides of walls and baseboards, ensuring total cleanliness, even in the tightest corners. No more neglected spaces, every nook is reached, eliminating all dirt. This feature is especially useful for those who have pets. Pet hair, often trapped in those areas, disappears effortlessly. One of the most impressive aspects of this cleaner is its smart technology. The sensor is a bit larger than the sensor on the head. The Tineco iLoop. It automatically adjusts the suction power, the roller speed, and the water flow based on the dirt detected. You no longer have to worry about adjusting the device for each type of floor or dirt. The sensor does everything for you, providing a smarter, faster, and more efficient clean. And thanks to this technology, the battery life is optimized, allowing you to clean up to 230 square meters without any interruptions. Speaking of battery life, you will be amazed by the battery performance. The Tineco Floor One S6 offers up to 35 minutes of battery life, allowing you to clean large areas without having to recharge it. No more rushing to finish before the device runs out. With a charging time of just 4 hours and 30 minutes, ready to go again. You can finally say goodbye to the frustration of cleaning interruptions due to a dead battery. So, don't miss the chance to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews testifying to its great quality, and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of the products that make your daily life simpler and easier every day. The Tineco Floor One S6 is also designed to be lightweight and easy to handle. Weighing just 4.5 kg and its self-propelled design allow you to clean comfortably without excessive effort. Whether you have hard floors throughout the house or stubborn stains in the kitchen, this cleaner lets you handle it all with ease. Even if you need to clean under furniture or in tight spaces, its maneuverability makes every cleaning session a pleasant experience. This product not only simplifies cleaning, but it also makes it more hygienic and environmentally friendly. The air centrifuge drying system. is an ideal solution for removing excess water, thus preventing bad odors and the proliferation of bacteria. Your floor dries faster and your home stays fresh and clean. In addition to its ease of use, the Tineco Floor One S6 offers a mobile app that lets you track the cleaning performance in real time. An integrated voice guide also provides you with additional support, letting you know exactly when it's time to empty the tank or start the self-cleaning. This ensures you have an optimal and hassle-free cleaning experience. And the best part is that the Tineco Floor One S6 is available at the best price by clicking the link in the description. You'll also find hundreds of customer reviews. To help you make your decision, this cleaner also comes with a multi-surface solution specially designed for hard floors. Using this solution not only ensures effective cleaning, but also prolongs the lifespan of your device. This way, you can enjoy exceptional performance while preserving your device for long-term use. Let's now recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages of the Tineco Floor One S6. Advantage number 1, 2-in-1 cleaning. It vacuums and mops simultaneously, saving you time. Advantage number 2, self-cleaning. Easy maintenance thanks to its self-cleaning cycle. Advantage number 3, smart technology, automatically adjusts the suction power and water flow. Advantage number 4, improved corner cleaning, perfect for reaching hard-to-access areas. Advantage number 5, extended battery life, up to 35 minutes of continuous cleaning without any recharge. Advantage number 6, lightweight and maneuverable, lightweight design for effortless cleaning. And finally, advantage number 7, quick drying. It uses centrifugal drying to keep the device and floors odor-free. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Long charging time. It takes 4.5 hours for a full charge. Disadvantage number 2, water tank, limited dirt capacity. The tank can fill up quickly during extensive cleaning. In summary, the Tineco Floor One S6 is much more than just a simple floor cleaning device. It's a complete, smart, and efficient device that makes your daily life easier. It's designed to meet all your cleaning needs, whether it's removing stubborn stains, vacuuming pet hair, or cleaning the toughest corners. Thanks to its advanced technology, long-lasting battery, and easy maintenance, the Tineco Floor One S6 is the perfect cleaning tool for your home. Don't waste a single second and click on the link in the description to order at the best price and check out the hundreds of reviews. Clients sharing their great satisfaction. Do you also enjoy cleanliness without any effort?